Hello everyone, I am back with another Misfits Market unboxing video with my daughter Hannah. You want to open up the box? Dinky with these tapes here. See what they sent us this week. Looks like turnips. So we have two huge turnips. Okay. Some button mushrooms, by the looks of it. Some lettuce. It's all starting to get a little bit wilty. Cilantro? Parsley. Oh, okay. Organic grape tomatoes. Okay. It's like, is that two different kinds of apples? Oh, this one's like bruised, crazy bruised. This one doesn't even feel like an apple. This is a plum.
Isn't that a peach?
It feels like a peach. It feels like a peach. It doesn't even say. Okay. Yeah, that's an apple. Yeah, that's an apple. I should have looked online to see what they sent me this week. Yeah, I think that's some sort of peach. Well, they didn't send me what I asked for again. There's a couple of replacements again. Okay, these are some red pears. There's another one, looks like.
Some of this stuff feels slimy.
Yeah, you're right. That bag might have leaked, but it's not like toxic or anything. It says right on it it's not toxic, so.
It's good because you don't want to poison your customers.
Oh, did you look at that? Hold on. That has mold on this little sweet potato. And this other one looks completely bug-eaten. Yeah, these look like they were infested with bugs, and the one has mold on it. That's not good.
It's not.
Okay, it's another kind of pear.
I think they used it for wrapping this time.
Yeah, every week they have some different sort of, it's like whatever they just so happen to have, I swear. Okay, some celery.
This one seems in better condition than the other three.
Something had to have leaked, but that bag wasn't leaking, so I don't know what the hell this is.
It might have been just the bag, and it was just the
Is there something in here that's leaking?
Maybe. I don't know what's in there.
This whole thing feels like slimy too. Why don't you open this and figure it out? Well, next it's not like seeping from inside of that, so. Oh, yeah, I had to order that separate. Blueberry jam, okay.
I wasn't expecting that.
Radish? It's like a bunch of radishes.
potato.
They sent us 2 red potatoes and 2 little, I guess they'd be considered white potatoes. Some questionable sweet potatoes. See, these are some more of those radishes.
That's it. Oh, too short for this. You might have to wash the tablecloth after this.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely, yeah. Okay, so
That was it.
yeah. Okay, so we have some herbs, mushrooms, lettuce, celery, a couple of turnips, red pears, radishes, some questionable sweet potatoes, some apples. Those aren't peaches. I think there's some sort of plum, because peaches are fuzzy.
They are.
So 2 red potatoes, 2 white potatoes, and a second kind of pears.
But wouldn't plums be a bit smaller? Because that's how I thought they were peaches.
It depends on what kind of plums. There's lots of different kinds. There's like a whole assortment of stone fruits. Some tomatoes, and the jam. Yeah, so that's what we got this week. I'll be back with a worm video later in the week. I hope you have a great week.